today we will discuss about Edman degradation of protein. This method is discovered by Edman. The Edman degradation method is discovered by Edman. It is a method for sequencing of amino acids in proteins. That is, it is the method for detecting the presence of amino acid sequences in a protein. To detect the amino acid sequences in a protein. So, first of all, in this reaction, the N-terminal amino acid labeled. The N-terminal amino acid is labeled and that labeled amino acid is then cleaved. So, the labeled amino acid then identified by such methods such as chromatography and electrophoresis, etc. So, in Edman degradation method, the N-terminal amino acid is first labeled and it then cleaved. Then the labeled amino acid is identified by techniques such as chromatography or electrophoresis, etc. Now look at this figure. This is a polypeptide chain. In this you can see number of amino acids. Number of amino acids linked by peptide linkage. And here you can see the N-terminal end and this is the C-terminal end. So this is a polypeptide made up of number of amino acids and consists of an N-terminal end and a C-terminal end. In this method, phenyl isothiocyanate, also known as Edman's reagent, is used to label the N-terminal amino acid. The phenyl isothiocyanate, also known as Edman's reagent, is used to label the N-terminal amino acid. In mild alkaline condition, the Edman reagent, phenyl thioisocyanate reagent, react with the N-terminal amino acid, and forming and then it's cleaved and forming phenyl carbamyl derivative. So, in the mild alkaline condition, the Edman reagent phenyl isothiocyanate binds with the N-terminal amino acid and it then cleaved. Here it is cleaved to form phenyl thiocarbamyl derivative. This phenyl thiocarbamyl derivative is then treated with acidic solutions such as anhydrous trifluoroacetic acid. Forming a derivative known as thiozolinone derivative. So, this phenyl thiocarbamyl derivative, when treated with the acids and giving heat, the acid is trifluoroacetic acid and forming a derivative known as thiozolinone derivative. Once more, the phenyl thiocarbamyl derivative treated with acid and heat. The acid used is trifluoroacetic acid and forming thiozolinone derivative. This thiozolinone derivative then treated with organic solvents or aqueous acids, forming another derivative phenyl thiohydrantoin amino acid derivative. So This thiazolinone derivative extracted with organic solvents or aqueous acids, other compound phenyl thiohydantoin is formed. This is the structure of phenyl thiohydantoin amino acid derivative. Phenyl thiohydantoin amino acid derivative. This is the last compound formed in this reaction, and this is a stable compound. This is stable compound. Stable. So it is easily identified by the chromatography or by electrophoresis. So the amino acid is easily identified by the chromatography or electrophoresis technique. This is the Edman degradation method. This is a sequential reaction, and from the peptide each amino acid is cleaved one by one. Each amino acid is cleaved one by one and then carried out the electrophoresis or chromatography to find out what are the amino acids present in this peptide. So by this way we can detect the sequences of amino acid present in a protein. This is Edman degradation method. That is, this method is used for the detection of the sequences of amino acids present in a protein or peptide. So the N-terminal amino acid is labeled and then cleaved first. It then treated with the acid condition and alkali, then extracted with the organic solvents and forming the last compound phenyl thiohydantoin. This then easily identified by the electrophoresis or by chromatography. This is Edman degradation method. Thank you.